Ajay is going to come. I told you he is going to come anytime. I just forgotten, any moment he'll be coming, Usually he comes in time. Very rare people, Do something for him, he loves samosas.
Okay, I'll make it right now. I'm washing the vessels.
But please do something because, he will come and start bug with me. As long as he eats something, his mouth will be closed.
Okay.
So please come, keep something.
By the way, the neighbors had given a call. They're saying again your overhead tank is overflowing. You had switched it on about 2 hours back and you have not switched off the pump. How much of water has got wasted?
Arey, you don't listen to them, yaar. Water doesn't get wasted. Where does it go? Back into the earth. Again, then somebody will dig it out. Don't worry, I'll switch it off, okay? But please make some samosas. I should do some shaving. He's going to come any moment. 4 o'clock, you said. Talk of the devil and the probably. I'm coming. Oh, Ajay!
Hello.
Come.
How are you?
Come. Oh, you're not even ready. I'll get ready, man. Sit down. Today, I took it a bit easy. You had told me to go somewhere, so I couldn't even sleep in the afternoon. But then last night I take a little extra, so I slept a little more. I'll get ready. Don't worry. Let me just do some shaving. In the meanwhile, Malti has made some samosas for you.
Yeah?
Yes. I know you love samosa.
Interesting.
Yeah. So get quickly.
You have to go.
Have some samosa.
Where's Savita? I don't see Savita.
So she's gone out somewhere.
Okay. And samosa.
I'll also bag.
This is also having. This is
I'll just get ready. डाल कर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसे.
What is that?
Nothing.
I saw you throw something out.
Oh, that is a broken, the past old blade here. I need to use new one now.
Yeah, but somebody gets hurt over there.
No. It is just falling over compound. You don't know. You saw that fat man sitting there?
Yeah.
Our watchman?
Security guy.
He has no other purpose. So our society has told him 3 times in the day he has to sweep. So he'll sweep it out. Don't worry. Sit down. Have your samosa.
That water.
I'm shaving, no? Just now Madhi also told me water is being wasted. I'm shaving, yaar. Okay, I'll reduce. Okay. So how was your Bombay trip, Ajay?
No, Bombay trip was very hot. And Bangalore is becoming hotter than Bombay also.
Of course.
You know that.
And
Bombay.
I know. But Bangalore once upon a time was the heaven. People say it is a retired people's heaven. Nowadays I know what is happening.
Water.
Okay. I wanted to take shower, if you permit me time. Sorry, no, I was in a double mind. You said that water must be saved. I thought that let me save water today. No water. I know.
Okay.
How is it?
It smells nice.
Oh yes.
Sorry, the
Oh come on, this is the youngsters. One of my friends brought it from USA. You want to see which one? I'll show you this. The plant.
So then this also affects the environment.
You guys, social service fellows. I don't know what to do with you guys. Okay, chalo. You wanted to go somewhere now?
Yeah, we have to reach.
I know.
What about the food?
Time is not there. You said no. She'll throw it off. There are enough dogs around and she'll give it to some dogs.
So she had dog food.
Chalo, let's move. Shall we move?
I'm just going to
What are you doing? Nahi re, why does one get married? Wife has no other work. Just leave it. She'll do it. We'll move. Come on, let's go.
But the light, it's on.
See, nowadays things are so dull in the house. The lights are not there. My wife feels that there is no brightness in the light. So this light on is brightness in her life. And she'll switch it off. Yeah, why are you worrying so much?
But the TV is also on. Nobody is watching and it's...
TV is my apart from my wife, my wife's mother, old lady. For her, when the TV is on, the world is on. Okay, the TV is switched off, the world is over. So whenever you come and see, if our TV is not there, either she is not here in our home, or the world is over. So people are talking about world will be over one day. Chalo.
Now in your room I see that your fan is on, AC is on.
I have to tell you something on that. Right point. You said Bombay has become very hot.
Yes.
You also know Bangalore is very, very hot.
Correct.
And once upon a time there was no ACs also. Now everybody puts AC.
sitting, it is not needed.
I recently came across some professor Raj Gopalan talking about global warming.
Yes.
Have you heard about it? I don't understand much about that, but I found a solution for that. A local solution to the global problem. I tell you, and you should also adopt, and all of you also can be. What you should do, Ajay, when you go out in your room, you switch on your AC if you have, and the fan. When you come back, it's cool, chill. Yes.
And at the end of the month when you get a big bill from the KEB,
That's a different matter, you have to have some friends there. You can manage it. You will not understand. We are all social society.
Shall we go? You're getting late. Yeah?
Come. Yucca? Yes.
What's it? Yeah, Dilip, just
See the feel. See the color. See the color and see the feel. Come on. How is it?
very nice. Very nice and soft, beautiful. Look at the one thing. 3 years ago you had a new car. After 3 years you buy another car.
See, every 3 years they say you must change the cars. So I'm changing.
But then you need to...
You are talking about you need money for buying. There is enough money in this country. You must know how to manage. Because more than enough, some people go and put it into the Switzerland. Extra money.
Oh, it's
I don't go and put it in Switzerland. I use it here. So I can afford it. You can also, but you have chosen to be in the social service, so you will not understand. Your children will understand. They are in the business now.
Nice.
They might. You will understand slowly. Shall we?
Nice music system is there.
Yeah, 35,000 rupees this one,
Oh.
And brand new.
Wow.
And that guy gave me free.
Oh, how did you manage that?
You see, I promoted their business in the last company where I was working. Before retirement. I got them a lot of business, so he's a good friend.
Okay.
So he gave me this brand new. You want to
Listen.
listen? Yeah. What happened?
Too much of it. Why do you want to make such a big...
See, this system you have to have full blows.
Yeah, but what happens to your ears?
What
What happens to the neighbors? They'll be...
Neighbors, how will they come to know that I got a new car? You have to do that. Shall I?
No, I think I prefer a little lower volume.
Okay.
A little more comfortable for my level.
Okay.
Shall we go?
Come on. Where do we have to go?
We have to go to Indian Institute of Work Culture.
Baswanturi?
Yeah.
I have to cross the whole city, yaar.
That's why I told you to come.
It will take more than an hour and a half. It's already, what time do you go there?
By 5:30 we have to reach over there.
It's already 4:30, man. 5:30. पहुंचा देंगे? What happened? No. I'm a safe driver, don't worry. पहुंचा देंगे there, don't worry.
Shall we go?
Now what?
Safety. You have to wear the seat belt now.
Safety? Who's safety?
For yourself.
We are inside the car, man. People who are on the road are not safe. They should bother about safety. And हमको किसी ने बांध के नहीं रखा है. Malati also could not tie me down. I don't get.
But
If you
I think you should wear a seat belt.
okay, if you insist.
Shall
Now,
we go?
all right. Beep, 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 beep.
The fuel
What
level
happened?
is low.
Oh yeah, we'll fill it up. We'll fill it up.
There's a petrol pump.
No, not this, not this. The next one. Next one is my friend. Okay. Just give him 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. 1,000 rupees. Get. You know, Ajay. You know, today nowadays people are very, very road.
I have to give this bill back.
No.
1,500.
No, this is right, man. He has put only 1,000 rupees petrol, but you know, this is the. There's an adjustment in this. Don't worry. This will be given to my son. It's his car now, you know, in his name. He'll get it from his company. He's on actuals, you know. That bottle he gives, no?
Even a water bottle.
Yeah.
You have to pay for this.
No, don't worry. This for, you know, he always gives me. You want to drink water?
No, not.
Keep it. If he need, we'll drink it. Shall we move?
Yes. Hey, the red signal went.
It went, no? Don't worry. Don't worry. Beep, beep, beep.
Red is back.
Arre,
The
Ajay.
policeman was there.
Did he do anything? No.
No.
And if he does,
Ah.
everybody knows, give 550 rupees, 100 rupees, and the matter is over, man. And you know, these fellows don't know where to put these signals. They simply put the signals. One thing I've learned, when there's a red signal, the road is open. Zoom, you can go. No problem. Zoom. Ping, ping. Hey, good day. Tera hatna re.
Just switch it on.
Hello. Yes, Prabhu. Prabhu. I'm going to Basunagudi, Prabhu. Estopade. Not you, Prabhu. क्या कर रहा है यार?
Yeah, he is driving just now. He'll give you a call later.
Which deal he was going to tell me about? Yeah, I lost some money in this. Okay, ठीक है.
You're not supposed to operate the mobile when you're driving.
You and your. Tell me, this mobile is meant for what? Word mobile means it's mobile. Anywhere, wherever you are, you can use it. You can communicate with people. That's why government also, you know, and then people like you.
No.
Huh?
I think we'll take a left turn.
Okay. Just find the place for parking. It's here. Okay, this is okay. Yeah. Just see the time. How was my driving?
Saved. Fine. Yeah. Good. Shall we go?
Yeah.
Hey, Philip. No parking over here. Have you saw this? Can't park over here.
You see again. See again. What is it? In English they have mentioned there's an arrow.
Yes.
100 meters.
Ah.
100 feet. This side 100 feet. No parking. Here you can park. You said the people will come at 5:30 and.
Yes, they'll be waiting for us at the Idea Hall.
Is it so?
Yes.
I don't see anybody.
Okay, come. See, you all come.
Oh.
It's improving now.
Oh really?
Now
No,
you-
Namaskara. I have to say sorry. But why? Oh, we have come late. Oh, I'm so sorry he came late to pick me up.
Thank you.